What if just 5 days could reset your energy and show you what you're really capable of? Welcome to your personal energy challenge blueprint. Intentional challenges aren't about pushing until you break. They're about testing your edge in smart, sustainable ways. What gets measured gets mastered, and the right challenge reveals your strength. Day 1. Start by knowing where you are. Record your sleep, movement, and mood. Your baseline becomes your roadmap for growth. Day 2. Take on a micro-challenge, just 5 to 10 minutes of focused movement, breathwork, or stillness. Small shifts create lasting energy. Day 3. Make it fun. Track streaks, set mini rewards, or compete with yourself. Gamifying your growth keeps energy high and motivation effortless. Day 4. Test yourself. Pick one challenge: endurance, focus, or strength. Push just past your comfort zone. Growth lives on the edge. Day 5. Reflect. What surprised you? Where did you feel stronger? Reflection turns effort into wisdom and sets you up for your next challenge cycle. Your 5-day personal energy challenge blueprint is just the start. Whether you're a tracker, a gamer, a micro-challenger, or a tester, you now have the tools. Step into your next challenge and energize your life.